Alright, so this is a quick little video. We got this boosted mini for Riley, and he got it used and it was missing one of its motor guards, which goes over and covers the gear and pulley. So what I've done is I've designed my own here and 3D printed them. So this is the original aluminum part, and it's probably made by some sort of molding process. And so it's got these thin wall parts. You can see here, they make the features with thin walls, and they make the walls hollow where they can. And this is a very mold design-ish looking part. But with 3D printing, we don't have to, we can make the parts hollow in how we print it. And so I'm able to make the part follow the features of the motor that I'm mounting it to a little bit more, and have thicker walls that are instead hollow on the inside. So instead of copying this design, which was made for molding, it's a little bit of a different design for printed parts. I wasn't able to get it perfect, so this is the original fit here, and it makes a pretty good seam. My part, it fits on a little bit more snugly, like there, and it's got just a slightly larger seam, but besides that, it's a pretty good match, and I'm pretty happy with that. So, there we go, 3D printed wheel guard.